Hi, my name is Patrick. I was one of the people who set up and helped to run AMP.
So AMP is a project that was set up by cousins Dominic and Patrick, who were part of a project a while ago at home and saw kind of a gap in the market for a music project for adults with disabilities and learning difficulties.
Because me and my cousin Pat love doing music. When we are kids, we just want to make music. And now here we are doing AMP right now.
So there's AMP Accessible Music Productions, which is monthly workshops or masterclass working with adults with disabilities and additional needs in different forms of music and creating music. And House Party is a quarterly club night, which is an accessible club night which we run here in the venue of home. Actually this month for the first time we're having members of the AMP group coming to perform at the event as well, so it's like tying everything in together.
Because you get to meet loads of new people and it's fun and yeah, it's quite interesting. It gets you out, it gets you about, it does.
Venture Arts is an arts organisation based in Hume, and we support artists with learning disabilities. Lots of younger people from Venture Arts come and take part in the project. Over sort of the last year, a group of young people have come together who love making music together and have really formed a band, and they have that identity, how it's involved people that we work with that I would have never have thought would have, loved to perform in this way.
What I love so much about this project is learning how to play the musical instrument, and you get to see lots of different music and you really enjoy it. There's not many things around for people with disabilities these days, so it's a really good opportunity to get involved in.
Today, we are going to be coming to you live.
Tonight we've got a performance of kind of choir that's been set up from within the group. I'm DJing and we've been partnered up with Drake Music, who's suggested us a bunch of great acts, live acts.
I absolutely love this event. It's come to mean an awful lot to me and the musicians that I work with. Drake Music is a charity that opens up access to music for disabled musicians. We do lots of different projects at Drake Music, but one of the things that we really need is to give our musicians a place to actually perform in front of a warm and receptive audience. As a venue, Home has so much. It has the atmosphere, it's got the sound, it's got all the tech stuff, and it's just amazing that people can come here and share their work.
Now we have a number of regular musicians that are coming to perform.
Fourth time performing at home, so it's quite thrilling and I feel quite happy that they keep asking us to come back.
Sometimes nerve-wracking, but nerves are good because it makes you care about your performance.
This is like our resident place to perform now.
Yeah.
You get to dance and you can listen to your favourite songs and chat, talk.
I love party. I feel happy. Had a good time today. I love party. I love music. Had a good time.
It's like a social event to seeing everyone, I suppose, and just getting the opportunity to just be yourself and go out and things, so yeah.
It's also a paid opportunity for musicians, which we're really pleased to be able to offer. The AMP project and House Party is really generously funded by Young Manchester, who we just wouldn't be able to run this project without, and we're incredibly grateful to have their support.
I think it's really, really important that big and exciting and innovative arts organisations like Home ensure that their work is available and accessible to everyone. The AMP project does that. It makes sure that young people, no matter some of the challenges that they face, are able to take part in the best things that the city has to offer.
That room right there is genuinely the nicest space in Manchester that you could be in, and that's accessible on a Friday night in December, peak time, for young people with disabilities, and it's a super fun night.
It's also quite unpredictable. You don't really know what's going to happen, which is great, and the best gigs are always there like that.
And things that we plan to happen don't, and then things that we don't plan to happen do, so it always has this quite fun, organic feel.
Also, House Party is just a top night out.
Well, House Party is like a party like you go to and you make friends and have friends, like family, My heart is a heart. I know I love all one of you, my friends.